Welcome back to my channel. I am so thrilled today to be sharing our travel day experience for our honeymoon. We're actually heading to Anaheim, California to go to Disneyland Resort for the very first time. And as you can see, my feet are kicking with delight because we are actually experiencing Delta One for the very first time, or at least I am. Adam's been on Delta One before, but this was my very first experience. And so I'm excited to share a little bit of a sneak peek of that with you and our honeymoon. If this is our first time meeting, hello and welcome. My name is Michelle, and that is my husband, Adam. And we live in Orlando, Florida, and travel to the parks all the time. And we're toasting our honeymoon today with a little champagne and some Barbie. But I'm really excited to share our honeymoon travel day experience with you. And at the end of this video, you're actually going to see a nice little room tour of the Anaheim Marriott where we stayed for our 6-day trip. Thanks for being here and tuning in. I'm excited that you're here.
Welcome to Orange County. The local time is 11:26.
Okay, so here's our hotel room. This is a king bed concierge level room. So as you walk into the door, you'll see the bathroom area right here. We'll come back to that in just a second. As you walk in, you'll see to the left, you'll see a relatively, I mean, it's not tiny, but it's not massively huge either, especially if you compare it to some Disney hotels. But you've got your safe down here, a couple of drawers. There's actually a robe here, which is really cool, which I found so funny because they actually don't have a bathtub, but that's okay. And then your extra linens up top. I think I just caught the safe door. And then you've got your coffee maker. I will tell you the coffee here is not the greatest, so we'll probably be going downstairs to Starbucks if we need it, or go to the concierge lounge. You've got some extra storage here with some cups. And then you head into the room. So it's got a nice little bench here that actually has some cool storage. And then you've got your full desk area with like a TV, a lot of cool backlighting. Here's your king bed. And then you'll go and you'll see there's a full entire couch over there. You see Adam over there. He is actually out on the balcony. So let me show you what the balcony view looks like. But first, there's the full-length mirror, and we're gonna switch places because we actually have a full balcony, but we actually have a neighbor, so it's not, there's not a divider or anything. And here's our view. It's not a theme park view, so don't get your hopes up. As far as I know, we'll come back later, but I'm pretty confident this is just like downtown Anaheim. I think it's over there, and then you've got all the suburbs, and then there's some things I think that were plants at once upon a time. So that's our view. Works for now. We're here to hang out at Disney, not to hang out on the balcony. And then again, full-length mirror, some luggage. You've got some storage down here. Don't mind the Michigan-Alabama game. We're Georgia fans, and we hope that Michigan wins. And then there's, what I find very interesting is if you look at the bedroom situation, I find it interesting that all of the outlets, including the clock, are on this left side, which is actually the side that Adam sleeps on. And then this right side has nothing. So Marriott Anaheim, not sure what went on with that decision making. Why you wouldn't give the person on the right side of the bed some amenities as far as like plugging things in. And I actually looked underneath and didn't see anything. So
You're not on the right. You're not right.
And then we go into the bathroom area, which is super fun. So you'll see we have sink, really pretty mirror, lots of towels. Obviously the commode, and then you've got your full bathroom, which is so fun. So yeah, and it comes with a little bit of extra things. I think it's the This Works brand, if that means something to you or not. I'm not sure. Doesn't mean anything to me, but that's fine. It's always nice to have in a shower. And then you've got your shower vent. Nothing too fancy, but fancy enough for us and works for our theme park trip. So that is the Marriott King bedroom. Thank you so much for following along on our honeymoon travel day experience today. I hope you enjoyed being able to see what it's like to fly from Orlando to Anaheim and Delta One. It was super fun for us. And our experience over at Anaheim Marriott was 5 stars. We would definitely stay there again in a heartbeat. It was about 5 to 6 minutes in an Uber ride to get to and from Disneyland every day, so we would totally be back. But you're seeing a sneak peek right now of the adventures that are coming next week. So let me know in the comments below which Haunted Mansion version you think we're going to share. See you guys next week. Bye!